Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about applying for a senior citizen ID card in 2025. This card can unlock amazing benefits like discounts on healthcare, transportation, and daily essentials, making life a bit easier as you age. If you're 60 or older or helping a loved one, stick around. This guide is straightforward and up to date. First off, let's cover eligibility. In most places, you need to be at least 60 years old and a legal resident. But remember, rules can vary by country or state, so double-check with your local government website for any 2025 updates. It's always smart to stay informed. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll typically need proof of age, like a birth certificate or passport, along with identification such as a driver's license and proof of residence, like a utility bill. Make sure everything is current to avoid delays. Nobody wants extra hassle. Step 2. Choose your application method. In 2025, many governments have gone digital, so you might apply online through official portals. If you're not comfortable with tech, head to your nearest government office for in-person help. Either way, it's designed to be user-friendly. Step 3. Fill out the application form carefully. Provide accurate details about your personal information and don't skip any sections. If there's a fee involved, usually nominal, be prepared to pay it via card, cash, or online transfer. Step 4. Submit your application and wait for processing. It could take a few weeks, so keep an eye on your email or the tracking system if available. Once approved, you'll receive your ID card by mail or for pickup. A quick tip. Apply early in the year to beat any potential rush, and always verify the official sources to avoid scams. That's it. Applying is simpler than you think. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching and take care.